Guys, today we are Toad. If you're gonna scream hey one more time, good. Alright, receive all. We're playing Mario. Right now, I don't know how. Let's build. Oh, now I know how. So we have our flowers. These guys could use some flowers. Brighten up their day. Toad's gold Toad statue. Right in front of Toad. Block A. In front of your house. Cannon here. Tube here. And no. Well, actually, let's put this away. Oh no. Okay, place. I like fireworks cannon. It's smaller, but it was good. Alright. Let's do remix. Okay, guys, this is the dying moment you've been waiting for after watching remix, where you can go through 10 short courses. Okay, let's start. You need rally tickets. You give me 10. Course 1. Get all these coins. It's just like a Mario game. Shout out to Osborne Elementary, straight from Mario. Don't ask me about the music. Run! Oh no, I missed all of them. But hey, Mario's still happy. That's all that counts. Come on, Bowser. Or Dry Bowser, whoever this is. Mario is just doing... Oh, finally, we get full thing. We missed one set, which was a bad. Oh, no, we're Toad. The Nintendo Switch, this is my brother, so we're playing as my brother on the Nintendo Switch. I should have jinxed myself. Okay, not me. I'm one of the forms of Mario. This isn't my form. Yeet! I went Super Saiyan. Kamehameha and good stuff. And tubes are barfing. Sweet! Perfect again! This is Toad Rally. This is the original Toad Rally course. Got a grown-up and not a mini midget. And they get eaten by Bowser's piranha plants. So that's good. The final place. Oh, great. Oh, Fluey. Ah, chicken sauce. I did good though. Ooh, bonus game. Oh, it's this. Nice. Play remix to get 10 decorations you can make your kingdom quite lively. Go ahead, Toads. Alright, I failed as Toad though. You're only a million blocks away. Collect bonus medals for a chance to get a bonus block. You might get a rare item out of it. Princess Peach, oh no. Mario, I'm gonna get crushed by Princess Peach. Well, not crushed, but I may lose. And Mario's gonna be crying to learn that her girlfriend isn't good at Mario Kart parkour. At Mario Kart. The Mario all know and love, baby Mario. Alright, let's do more. Pause. Yeet. Aw, man! I swore I thought that. Paratroopas in Mushroom Valley. That was the course 3. Course 4. Oh, we're not going to set. Combo, still. Oh no, I missed the coin. Ooh. Now I'm Princess Peach. I'm glad you have that dress. Or I'd be doomed. Oh, I'm doomed! Princess Peach, you'll fall to your heavens? You didn't have to scream. You're falling. But it's scary, but you're not gonna die of falling. Mario's just happy he gets his girlfriend back to the kingdom. Oh, come on, coins, come on. Give me this thing. Yeet. This is the hardest level I've tried. Oh no, no, Mario. Perfect. I don't know where the first coin was. It's completely not in my head. Wow. I just kept popping out of the shell. Oh man. This is when Mario gets this special coffee. Why Mario doesn't get special coffee? This special coffee. That's why it always goes with decaf. Oh no! At least we got the bonus game again. A helper for Luto's live in the is place in Kingdom. Eternal. Next. Oh wow. That went Godspeed. I cleared the area though. Can you get 2? We're going down. Oh, Peach Super Bonus Game. Mega Mushroom Statue. Okay. Notebook. Okay, quit. Hey, I got it! Let's go back. Time to outcore a player. Oh, sweet. Rally. Has a stone with big headphones. Here's gonna kill. You only get a YouTuber, dude. So sub and slap that bell. Oh yeah, I don't have anybody. Hang on, what's my? It's a me. Mario grows big when he grabs a mushroom. Mario's always ready to go. Yeah. You're going down. P.S. I just had a coconut popsicle. It's great. I mean, ice cream pop. I got one guy. Oh, shoot. Is that guy AFK? I mean, I'm just beating him. I'm beating him badly. It's like I'm never beaten. Wow. This guy stinks. Oh, phooey. Alright, Toad, Miss Toad, Toadette? I don't know who that Toad is. Alright, Toad, rally, tally. What? He sucks, and I was beaten. Chemical. Dude, do you sit on the toilet when you play? Dirt. And the toads down there. Look what the toads are down there do. I actually got a Game Informer thing. We got 22 red toads. This house is where Blue Yoshi puts, and the Blue Yoshi will join. To the kingdom! So I got a toad house. Hey, fireworks! My castle leveled up. It's not a shack. Why is this a shack? Oh, the castle will become bigger as things go on. Oh wait, can I let those? I don't need that. Cause right now, I got more things I need to place. Right now. Now I think cow. I wish you could like stretch, like go left and right, so you can have a big castle. But let's do another rally. Let's rally some toads. Get more Toad Christmas World Tour. Whoa! Then expected crowd, 1 person. Okay. This is gonna be hard. But GG, I'm a YouTuber right now. Wait, did he start in front? Ooh! Yikes. Might actually be losing. Oh no, he's all the way back there! What's the best player I've seen so far? Yeah. Oh yes, just made it. Oh! Come on, just keep popping bubbles. So you get more coins. And I'm obviously gonna win because I'm right in front of the dude. Oh, you can't jump! Oh. Yeet. Oh no, I didn't get the flag. I missed the flag, but I got 2 coins out of that drop. Illuminati confirmed. Jump, jump. Coin rush. Come on. Spout some coins. Thank you. Girl, Toad, I think they're all looking at you. I think all the Toads are looking at you while I was racing. Alright. Yeah, I started stinking until I got in front. The knoll is probably oofed. Cause I mean, he has a good amount. I got 105 done. I almost finished the map. Wait, I pretty much did finish the map. We got 0 and we got 210. Pretty much 2100. Now I got a lot more toads. So, can I get any purple, blue, yellow, or green? Check it out. Okay, fun. Let's go again! Well, guys, this is my final jump, smash, and crash. Ooh, Zach! Okay. Zach, if you are playing this, if you're playing, put exact even, bro. But it has a girl emoji, so I wonder if this is mom. Is Zach's mom? Anyways, I grabbed my stuffed animal tiger for this morale being Zach. Yeah. No, wait, it can't be Zach's mom. Zach's mom doesn't have a phone. What I said was a lie. Sorry, Zach. If I'm hurting your feelings right now, bro. Dude, I'm a beast. I'm getting coin shotgun shells raining down on me. Oh, come on, Mario, jump on it. Good grief. We're beating this guy's butt. But something tells me this isn't the real Zach. If Zach is playing this, then let's see how good he digs on being your behind. Coin rush over. Don't care. I literally just almost butt slided down a hill. Woo! Oh! Just good timing. Hugging my stuffed animal tiger. Alright, totality. Oh, wow, Zach was doing good there until he hit me down. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm a guy. Whoa. Surprise, surprise. Look who got stuck. Wow. 3 people. I won again. Those 2. It's always 2 or 3 toads. That's how many 2 toads keep coming here. Okay. Oh. Well, guys, remember, if you are on this list of people, we got a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and slap the bell. And don't forget to leave a like on this video. Oh! Oh, no. Sweet! And world 1-6. Okay. Okay, well guys, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and slap that bell. And don't miss a video.